In this video I'm going to show you how to calculate the percentage in Google Sheets. As you can see, I have created some data. Now, we have uploaded 50 videos and we have recorded 100 videos. So we would like to know how much percentage we have uploaded of these 100 videos. Now, as you can see, it is quite clear that this will be 50%. Now, if you would like to calculate this, then go to this box, to the cell, then enter is sum, and then open bracket, then select the first data point, that will be the uploaded videos, then divide it by the other data point, the 100 recorded videos, and then close. Then you will enter times 100 and then enter. And as you can see, we have now 50% uploaded. Now, as you can see, we have uploaded 50% of our videos. And this is how you calculate the percentage in Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!